So now today you see some more questions of exercise 13. Yes, you give me the book. 13.1. Exercise 13.1. So you see here question number 14A. Question number 14A. And all of you write down the properties of all the rectilinear figures, all the quadrilaterals. सभी क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स की प्रॉपर्टीज मालूम होना चाहिए. Now here it is given A, this is C, D, and this point is X. Now all of you see here this is. In the diagram you can see that AB is parallel to which side? It is parallel to which side? It is parallel to DCQP. It is parallel to DCQP. AB is parallel to DCQP. You can see that AB is parallel to DC. It is clear? Similarly, AD is parallel to BC. Therefore, ABCD is what? Parallelogram. What is the property of parallelogram? A quadrilateral having opposite sides parallel. Quadrilateral having opposite sides parallel. Though it is given in the question also. Here it is given. In the figure 1 given below, ABCD is a parallelogram and X is the midpoint of BC. Here it is not like the midpoint. X is the midpoint of, you can see here, just slightly make some change here. Here this will be the midpoint and this is the X. This point is X, so this also this is Q, and now the figure is correct. This P. X is the midpoint of BC, means this will be equal to this. It's clear, this is given equals to this. DC is produced to AX. Now see here, the line AX meets DC produced at Q. Line AX is this. When it is produced means जब इसको हम आगे बढ़ाते हैं, तो ये क्या है? DC produced को कहाँ पर मिल रहा है? At the point Q. It's clear? At the point Q. The parallelogram ABPQ is completed. Means here it is given ABPQ is also a parallelogram. This is also given that ABPQ is a parallelogram. In the question it is given. Prove that triangle ABX and QCX are congruent. ABX and QCX. You can see here ABX is this and QCX is this. How will you prove it congruent? How will you prove? Now you name in 3 letters. So see here, angle BAX equals to angle CQX. It is clear? Then this will be the vertical opposite angle, and this angle is also alternate. It is clear? CX equals to BX. Therefore, this triangle is congruent to this triangle by which congruency? ASA. It is clear? By ASA congruency they are congruent. So how will you write? You write down in triangle ABX and triangle, you write down CQX. You can write here BX equals to CX. What will be the region here? X is the midpoint of BC. It is given in the question. X is midpoint of BC. This is given in the question. Then angle AXB equals to angle CXQ. This is vertical opposite angle VOA. Vertical opposite angle. It's clear? Then angle ABX equals to angle QCX. Alternate angle. It is clear? No need to write about this. Because here congruency will be fulfilled from here. I समझे? So therefore triangle ABX will be congruent to triangle CQX. By which congruency? ASA criteria for congruency. ASA congruency. By this congruency they are congruent. Now see here. Now you have to prove DC equals to CQ equals to QP. Means DC equals to CQ equals to QP. This is very simple. You can see here. Yes, you see here in this side. Now AB will be equal to CQ. Why? CPCTC. It's clear? Why? Because these two triangles are congruent. So AQ equals to CQ. This is CPCTC. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. हमने बोला तो AB था. AB equals to CQ. Now all of you see, DC will be equal to AB. Why? Opposite sides of parallelogram. Opposite sides of parallelogram ABCD. These are the opposite sides of parallelogram ABCD. It is clear? Then you can see here AB is equal to PQ. AB is equal to PQ. Why? Opposite sides of parallelogram ABPQ. Now all of you see here. AB is equal to DC, AB is equal to PQ, and AB is equal to CQ. Means this, and this, all the three will be equal. Why? Because all are equal to AB. Therefore, CQ equals to DC equals to PQ. This is proved. Hence proved. It is clear? This thing is proved. You see here, question number 14B. In the figure 2 given below, points P and Q have been taken on the opposite sides AB and CD of parallelogram ABCD. ABCD is parallelogram. And these points have been taken in such a way that AP equals to CQ. AP equals to CQ. You have to show that AC and PQ bisect each other. You have to prove that AC and PQ bisect each other. What does it mean? मतलब यहाँ हमको क्या इक्वल प्रूव करना है? What is TPT? AO equals to OC, and what is the other thing? PO equals to OQ. It's clear. This we have to prove. We have to prove that AC and PQ bisect each other, means this equals to this and this equals to this. It's clear. Now all of you see here, how will you prove this? So you see the triangle APO and triangle COQ. This angle will be equal to angle OCQ. Why? Alternate. Because this parallel to this and this is transversal. Similarly, this parallel to this and this is transversal. Therefore, this angle will be equal to this angle. It's clear? And this equals to this. So, by which congruency? Angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. Congruency, they are congruent. And when they are congruent, so this angle will become equal to this. Here it is vertical opposite angle. Now you can see here. इस triangle में side OP is touching to this and this angle. What are the angles here? ये वाला तो यहाँ पर आ गया, ये क्या है यहाँ, so it will be equal to OQ. OP will be equal to OQ. Then here you can see AO is passing through this angle and this angle. If you see here, then this angle is here and this one is there. Therefore, which side? CO. It will be equal to CO. So this proving you can write. How will you do? You have to prove. I am just not writing complete proving. You have to prove triangle AOP congruent to triangle COQ. AOP equals to COQ. You have to prove. Now you can see question number 15. ABCDJ square, A joined to P on BC. Here P is on BC and D is a point. D joined to a point Q on AB. Now see here. Here P point is on BC and Q point is on AD. On AB. AB means here. Prove that AP and DQ are perpendicular to each other. If AP equals to DQ. AP equals to DQ is given. Now see here. P point यहाँ पर है. And this is the AP. Q point is on AB. और Q point की position ऐसी है so that AP and DQ both are equal. Means this is Q. This is the DQ. It is clear? Here AP is equal to DQ. ये थोड़ा, this is not like a square. Here this side is longer, little bit longer, so you correct this. This is CD. थोड़ा गड़बड़. This point is Q. It is clear? Here it is given. What is given? AP is equal to DQ is given in the question. It is clear? So ABCDJ square, A is joined to P on BC. P is on the line BC and D is a point. D is joined to Q on AB. If AP equals to DQ, prove that AP and DQ are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other means which angle you have to prove equal to 90 degree. This angle QOP 90 degree or angle AOD 90 degree. Any one you can prove 90. हमको ये प्रूव करना है कि ये 90 डिग्री पर इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं. So any one angle you can prove 90 degree. So see here which two triangles you will take?
ADQ and ADB.
ए डी क्यू एंड ए पी बी, इससे क्या हो जाएगा?
सर दोनों को पहले हम कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव कर
हाँ, कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव कर देंगे तो क्या होगा? यस,
So we will take two triangles, triangle ADO and triangle AQO.
ए डी ओ एंड
AQO.
ए क्यू ओ, दिस ए डी ओ एंड ए क्यू ओ। सो इससे क्या होगा? इससे भी कुछ नहीं होगा। हाँ, यस,
ट्रायंगल सर ऐसे जो होगा DAQ जो है ट्रायंगल सर आइसोसेलेस हो जाएगा और
डी
AQ
डी ए क्यू,
Sir ये right angle
दिस इज नॉट आइसोसेलेस, दिस इज नॉट आइसोसेलेस। यस, नो,